What's up? It's me, your boy, and we're back with another cheap versus expensive video. I know, it's a meme at this point, okay? Cheap versus expensive photo frame. That's right. So this one's $70, this one's $170, but this is your basic digital photo frame, and this is Divoom's version of a photo frame. So we're gonna get a little deeper into the difference and show you all the cool features this thing can do, just to show you what you can get nowadays. Digital photo frames have evolved. It's time. It's 2025. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. This is so sick. Let's just get them open. I'm obviously going to start with the cheap one. Drag and touch. Boom. We got a user manual, accessories, and the frame itself. Boom. There's a little TV on the back. It's got a little screw where you can hook it and just hang it on the wall. Boom. That's kind of cool. I'm going to take the plastic off. Beautiful. Dang, is it really touchscreen? That's kind of sick, dude. Okay, we have a cable. We have a power cable. We're going to go ahead and plug it in. Okay. What do I do? Hello? Hello? Oh my god. Okay, I thought I picked the wrong language for a second. Then we got to type in my name. It doesn't automatically delete. That's annoying. It also has really loud sound. Cool. Okay, we're going to download the vPhoto app. Okay, now it works. Add new frame. It does not work without connecting to the Wi-Fi, for real. I downloaded the vPhoto app. Now what, bro? It literally just says network error. I'll show you. I'll show you. 977-090-928. Boom. 977-090-928. Okay, you ready for it? I'm not changing anything. No tricks of the trade here. And then I'm going to hit confirm. And it just says network error. And that's it. And now they have all my Wi-Fi information. I gave them $70 and their product doesn't even work. Oh yeah, what am I going to do? Return the product after I've connected it to my internet and give it back to them? I scan the QR code and that doesn't work either. Look, there's an option to scan it. Hit confirm. Network error. That's what it needs, a good factory reset. It has been factory reset. Network error. I'm gonna delete the app, remove it, delete it. I'm deleting it. I'm gonna re-download it. And now it just says network error. Network error. Okay, we're done. Drag and touch, fail. It literally doesn't even work, dude. Not cool. No, I'm not fibbing for the YouTube video. I don't do kind of stuff like that, alright? That's not. I actually wanted to use this. I got it for the video because I was like, you know, get the cheap one. And I was like, at least I'll hang it up on the wall, put some pictures of my family on there. This shit literally doesn't even work. It's getting returned. No, it's not even getting returned because it has my Wi-Fi information on it now. So it's just, what am I supposed to do with this? This is e-waste now. Literally. This is going to sit in my storage unit for the rest of my life. Now that I'm all riled up, let's just look at the Divoom, and if this one doesn't work, then I'm ending the video immediately. Like I said, $170. Looks like even $70 is not even enough to get a working digital frame, apparently. Divoom 10.1-inch HD screen, supports photo video transfer, 350K plus images stored, 200 plus practical dials, and an online pixel art gallery. And that's it, man. Let's just get it open. I've been waiting for this for too long. This isn't even about the video anymore. This is about me. I want it. It's not for you guys. It's my Divoom. Whoa, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be. That's what she said. Got probably a power cable. And we got a little lint-free cloth. Okay, okay. We got a nice black braided cable, type A to type C. Not too long, not too short. About medium. Okay. And last but not least, we have the Divoom TimesFrame. Wow. Whoa, look at that. There's a screen and then there's another screen behind that screen. We got TimesFrame, little logo. It says Divoom right there. And then there's some RGB and up in all this. It says TimesFrame right there too. And then on here we have a little handle. Is it functional? Makes me nervous, but it works. And then we have dials. Got two dials here. Settings button, a back button, back of screen, little type C port. We got some rubber on the bottom. That's it, man. That's what you get. Yes, let's plug it in. I'm ready. No wasting time. Hello. How are you? Oh, it's turning on. Wow. Wow. Okay, connect to internet. I think it's going based on my voice. Ah! Ah! Divoom. We're gonna download the Divoom app. It's called Divoom Pixel Art Community. Okay, so I already just allowed it to connect to Bluetooth devices. We downloaded the Divoom app. We're just opening it up for the first time. I'm gonna hit add device. Add device. To connect the device, please log in. Okay, now we'll make an account. Hit register. We'll do that real quick. In pairing mode. It's in pairing mode. Put it in the Wi-Fi password. Device is connecting to Wi-Fi. Share this code or let friends scan this code to connect to your device and send photos or pixel animations. Wow! Look at it! Yo! I don't know what it's transferring, but okay. There it is. That's the one we need. There it is, baby. It's the only one left. All the AI ones are gone. Alright, so it can do a whole bunch of stuff. You can either flip through the screens with this little knob. Like you can track your live subscriber count. Divoom's already up here with 81K. You can check out your TikTok on here. I don't have it logged in, but man, you could also change it on the phone. Works pretty quick. You could do all these different ones. You could do stonks. Maybe it'll let me change the stonks search. Let me see if I can do it. Where are you? Where's Boo Boo? There it is, Boo Boo. Alright, wait, we can use this thing. Alright, bet, dude. Look at this one. Isn't that one cool? It's like old Mario. I like that one. It says go away. These are all community made ones. Pumpkin kind of thick. That one's creepy. For Halloween. They won't even let me save it. The author won't let me. Cringe. That's so cool. Yeah. So you can edit the faces. That's what we went through first, and then we looked at the community stuff. You can also do like group chat. You can get into the community, you know what I mean? Okay, so you can change the brightness. So if you want to go sleepy bye, you can turn all the lights off. We're going to turn it up all the way. You can go into the device settings. There's a whole bunch of different stuff. You got night mode, color temperature adjustment. You can change the clock face. Hey, yeah, you can fix the time. Okay, there were people complaining in the comments because you couldn't fix the time. Okay, yeah, you can do a whole bunch of stuff on here. You can change the temperature. We'll change the temperature to Fahrenheit on here. We can do auto update device. You can disable the microphone. I don't know. Oh, so that part doesn't work. See, disabled. Ah. Okay, see how it works now? Cool. You can do mirror reverse, tap and play, show 16:32 size pixel grid. You can reset everything here as well. And you get your alarm, timer switch, Microsoft stuff, AI drawing, design, photo album, Pomodoro. You get all that good stuff in there. So there's all your app stuff. I love this. I just want to play with it for a second. Okay, you can change the brightness with the knob too. There's a back button. There's a settings button. Change everything here. In case you don't want to use the app for anything, this thing still works pretty well with just the dials. So you can go through all your settings. Hit the back button to get out. That's not bad, dude. I really like this thing. And for the price, it's not bad because we basically got scammed for $70, and now I'm debating whether I want to return it because it's been connected to our internet or not. That's unfortunate. Okay, so you can add pretty much your entire photo album if you want. You can give it full access, or you can do, one photo and video at a time and just set up a slideshow. You can do videos and you can do photos. Here's a little video I made of a fire log in my backyard. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Anyways, so you can do videos and you can do pictures. I got a whole slideshow here. Picture of me from work. Another picture of a fire log. You know what I'm saying? You could really do whatever you want. I got a bunch of thumbnails on here. Clips of clips of YouTube videos, perhaps. Anything you want, man. Yeah, so you can put all your stuff on there. That's their main thing, is that it's a digital photo frame. So put your photos in it, put your videos in it. There it is. You can make a slideshow with thousands of photos and hundreds of videos. They have an immense storage capacity. Okay, now you can change your different lighting modes here. And if you don't want it to match up your voice, you can turn that off. You got 8 different lighting modes here. Whoa. Oh, that one's so cool. That might be my new favorite. All right, and that's how you adjust the side light. That's pretty much it, man. That side light's my favorite part. Like I said, the black version of this I think has the best like side light in my opinion. But Divoom TimesFrame, I love this thing. This is my new favorite thing in like the whole world. I absolutely love this thing. It's gonna be just a part of my life now. And if this one breaks at some point in my life, I'm gonna go buy another one. I love this. It's such a cool design. Like, who thought of this? Good job, Divoom. This is a crazy cool product. Definitely better than, I really wish I could have shown you guys like a working digital frame, but that one is, you know, it was a digital frame that just kind of went through a slideshow, and that was pretty much it. You just put pictures on it, maybe have little like little movie clips, and it'll just kind of go through them. Like I said, I thought this one was going to be a winner because it's touchscreen, so I thought it'd be cool, and it's nice to just kind of hang up on your wall and have a nice moving digital frame. Do not recommend this. 0 out of 10. I don't know what's going on with this thing. I hope it's not just a scam product. Maybe I just got a faulty one. I don't know, but it seemed kind of scammy to me. The app was a little sketchy, and it just didn't work. It legit doesn't work, but they do have cheap digital frames out there that basically do that. They just, you can put your photos on, you can put 100 photos on, and it'll just skip through them throughout the day, and you can look at that instead of just having like one picture up. It's a really cool idea, and I love the thought of it. I will actually leave a link for one that I recommend, a digital photo frame, a budget one, as opposed to this one. Don't get this one. This one's not good, whatever brand it is. Dragon Touch. Sorry, bro. Get your stuff together, dude, because that's not it. Yeah, so I'll do some research. I'll find a good one. I'll watch some videos, and I'll find a good one for you guys. I'll put a link for that one down below. But, you know, if you're looking for something real fancy, put your own photos on here and skip through them. Like I said, I got my Marvel Rivals on here somewhere. There's my Marvel Rivals thumbnail, just proof. This thing's sick, man. You can do whatever you want on this. Scroll through all your pictures, just have this sitting there. Pictures of your family or whatever, you know, your kids, whatever it is you want to put in there. I really do enjoy this thing. It's freaking sick. If you're just like a tech nerd or whatever, you just want like something cool for the office, sit there and watch all your stocks. You know, you want to watch your subscriber count, whatever. You want to just have it in your background as something cool if you're like a creator. I don't know. I just think it's a really sick idea. I'll leave a link for this down below if you want to check it out. And I'll leave a link for a budget one as well. And it also comes in pink or white. So if you don't like the black, I just picked the black because the RGB on the side looked especially like, you know, on the black one with the contrast. But the pink was really cool, but I decided to go for the black one. That's pretty much it. Thanks, Divoom, for sending me this. It's really one of a kind. I really do like this thing. It's sick. So if you guys like the video, leave a like, smash like, subscribe, check out my tech review playlist. I'll leave it up there somewhere over there. That's pretty much it. See you guys in the next tech review. Peace.